Hello friends, welcome to Excel in Career. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to split the data into training set and test set. So firstly, you can watch my previous video if you have any difficulty. I have completed all the most of the data pre-processing part, and I also covered the libraries of different NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. So firstly, imported all the libraries. Then I am import the train.csv file, and then I deleted the column which are irrelevant to the survived column, and after that I am using the feature scaling for age and fair column because this data is very big, and we always don't want the data should lies between -3 to 3, so that's why we have used feature scaling. So now how to split the data frame. So this is the data frame, and we have to split the data into train set and test set. So firstly, this is the data frame and we have to convert into x and y. So what is x? X is a dependent variable, that is survive. Survive is a dependent variable. Survive is a dependent variable and all others are independent variable. From this factor, p class, age, fair, male, these are responsible that a man is survived or not. So we have to convert this data frame into a two different array, that is x and y. So firstly, let's say x is equal to train set dot ilog. I already explained in my previous video what is ilog, and I want all the rows, so that's why I colon here, and I want the column from 1 to the last, so I write here, and I want this data frame into a array, so that's why I write here values. So firstly, I have to run again once again this file. So yes, so now I would like to show what is x. So this will give me an array that is starting from p class to the male, and now I want an array that contain only the survived column. I want an array, that's why I write here values here. So just a copy paste. So I want a y variable, and I want all the columns, all the rows, and I want only zeroth column. That's why I write here 0, and I want to array, that's why I write here dot values. So 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 this is the y column, that is shows the 0 and 1, that is the survived column. So I write here dot values because we want the array. So here, that's why I write here. So this the dependent variable, that is y, and the independent variable, that is we get the array of x. So I think you understand that we create x and y variable of data frame. Now I have to split the data into train set and training set. So for that, I am import from scikit-learn, from sklearn dot model. So we are importing from sklearn dot model selection, import train test split. Okay. And now I write here x train comma x test comma y train comma y test is equal to train test split of x comma y, and here we have to write the test size, that is let's say I write test size is equal to 0.2, means 80% data should be given for the training and 20% is given for the test data. So firstly we have to train our model so that it will give our result. After that after we will give the test data, and we have to write here random state is equal to 42. So so here I have split the data into training set and the test set. So 80% is given for the train set and 20% is given after for training. So here I have to write, so I write x train. So this is the training data, that is 80% data is given for the train set, and these values is x test and y train and y test. So after that we will see different models for the prediction of y test value, means we will predict y predict and we will check how much y predict is differ than y test, and we will predict which model is the best. So in next further videos we will explain the different models, and after that we take a problem of Titanic and we will explain the detailed solution of that video. Thank you.